Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a very simple lab using two switches. We are going to do very basic BGP configuration on both these switches that I have with me. We'll be establishing a layer 3 connectivity between these two switches to begin with, and then proceed to do BGP configuration. I hope you can see my screen and you can see two switches, one on the left and one on the right. Let's quickly take a look at the configuration. As you can see, there is no BGP configuration at this point. We'll do the same on the other switch. So let's first establish layer 3 connectivity between these two switches. First, we'll be converting this into a routed port. Next, we'll be assigning an IP address. 30 should be fine. I'm just going to use it on these two interfaces on the switches. Let's move on to the next switch. That should take care of that. Okay. So let's check the routing table, and from the routing table we can clearly see that this subnet is now directly connected to each other. That should be taking care of the routing, but as you notice, the message IP routing is not enabled. We need to fix that as well. So the simple command is IP routing, and that should do it. So now coming on to BGP, we need to create a Bgpas. So we'll do router BGP, let's say 101. Yeah, that should do it. And we could do the same here. In this example, we're using iBGP to make it simple. So the AS number can be the same. So all we really need over here is the neighbor command, and that should take care of it. So if you do this, then you will see that I will need the neighbor to be added. And just to specify the AS, okay. Let's quickly take a look at the status of BGP. So it's now in active state, but it has not moved any further from there. We need to get it to established. Okay. Same goes over here. We need to specify the neighbor, and as you can see, we have this in place. Wonderful. So we move to established. Check the other switch as well. It should be the same. Okay, that's it. BGP configuration is that simple. We'll dive into more configurations in future videos. I'll see you then.